Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Acer is a trustworthy PC manufacturer that provides quality dependable laptops for its user. Acer tends to be known more for its portable and budget-friendly laptops. Over the past years, Acer has come up with its lineups like Aspire, Spin, Switch, and Swift. The Acer Swift One is a portable laptop that will be well suited to students, families, or anyone on a budget. As well as, Swift One is aimed at college and university students. It's also pitched at anyone in the market for an inexpensive laptop. It is an affordable laptop for anyone looking for the best laptops under $400. It's not only affordable, but it's also portable and attractive. The Swift One has a sleek, lightweight design, with thin bezels crammed into a stylish form. At first sight, you might believe this is a considerably more expensive laptop than it is. But in creating this laptop, has Acer chosen form over substance? Let's find it out. Acer Swift One. Acer offers the executive look of the Dell XPS 13, or the 𝗔𝗂𝗋𝗄𝗃 13 for a fraction of the price. At first glance, you might expect Swift One to be a much pricier laptop than it is. Firstly, its exterior panels and the deck side case are metal, which means that the Swift One not only looks and feels more attractive than a plastic laptop, but it's also more durable and less susceptible to cracks, dents, and superficial damage. Secondly, the plastic bezel framing the 14-inch screen measures 6.3 mm at the sides. The bezel size is a little bigger than the bezels of high-end ultrabooks available in the market. Thirdly, Acer has included a fingerprint scanner on the Swift One. It's rare to see a fingerprint scanner on a laptop at this price point. The fingerprint scanner adds another layer of security and privacy to the user. All these features makes the Swift One look a bit cooler. Design. The Swift One is the inexpensive option in Acer's all-metal thin and light Swift laptop range. It is a light, slim device with a decent quality aluminum chassis. The build quality feels solid when you grasp the screen corners, with virtually no flex. It has a lightweight build, with slender bezels packed into a sleek design. This device is pretty easy to handle, thanks to its 14.9 mm profile and 2.85 pounds of weight. Moreover, its design features rounded and silver edges, just like on MacBook Air. The Swift One has a more business-like look than other pricey competitors on the market. It has a decent quality screen and a long-lasting battery. Compared to other laptops at this price, the Swift One looks smart. That's partly due to its metallic body and choice of colors. The Swift One laptop comes in rose, gold, and silver color. It gives you a relatively premium-seeming laptop experience in a compact form. Display. The Swift One packs in a 14-inch Full HD display with a comfy view coating. The 14-inch display has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The display has a matte finish that does well in dampening glare. The screen bezels are reasonably slim, with a claimed 84% screen-to-body ratio. Acer has used an IPS LED panel, rather than the cheaper TN standard panel. So you get minimal deterioration in image quality when viewed from different angles. It offers a maximum brightness of 282 nits, and a contrast ratio of 1070:1. The screen looks pleasingly vivid and sharp, more than capable of standard office tasks. The videos look fine on it, thanks to the bright colors and sharp details. It offers 58% coverage of the sRGB color gamut, the space in which digital artists work. The screen combines incredibly sharp detail and vivid lifelike colors for a brilliant visual experience. The Swift One's display barely wobbles while you're picking the laptop up or putting it down. The screen isn't perfect with color reproduction, being not as accurate as more expensive laptops. But the display is fantastic for writing on, and it is not suited for intensive editing. Performance. The Intel Pentium N5000 CPU provides the ideal balance of power and efficiency, so everything keeps running smoothly on such a slim device. With a 128GB of SSD, you get plenty of room for all your apps, documents, and media. The 4GB of RAM allows you to spend more time working and less time waiting. The Swift One's integrated graphics aren't powerful enough to play current games. Moreover, the Swift One isn't much of a gaming machine. The integrated graphics helps video streaming, browsing, and general productivity. The Acer Swift One is not for creative tasks like photo editing or graphic designing. This laptop will not get you through complex tasks, and it will struggle to load larger games. This isn't uncommon among laptops costing under $400. But you can use it for writing documents, browsing the web, or streaming from Netflix. Then it'll get the job done, and its fans run quietly for the most part too. If you have a few extra dollars to spend, consider the Dell Inspiron Chromebook 14. Keyboard. Just below the display sits a decently sized chiclet-style keyboard. The keyboard is perfectly modest, and the layout is spot on. The Swift One's keyboard is nicely spaced, making it simple to pick up right away. The keys are big enough to type accurately, and they're spaced well apart from one another. The flat keys, delivering a satisfying click when struck. The keys are relatively quiet, which is excellent for a classroom environment. The keys don't feel as smooth and premium as other expensive laptops. The lack of keyboard backlighting means typing in the dark is difficult. Below the keyboard, we have a fingerprint reader that works well most of the time. Also, Swift One doesn't have much of a keyboard flex. Touchpad. The touchpad has a decent size, and it's more accurate. The touchpad on its smooth metal surface offers easy gliding, while its touch sensing and click action are responsive. It's also a Windows Precision touchpad, so you've got many gestures and multi-touch controls. The touchpad is not up there with the very best, but it's far from the worst. Connectivity. Despite the low price, Acer has included a large number of ports. On the left, you get a power plug, an HDMI port, a USB Type-A port, and a USB Type-C port. You have a Kensington security port, a USB Type-A port, and an audio jack on the right. The Swift One lacks Thunderbolt 3 port, and a mini display port. Battery. The battery lasts up to a better 17 hours on a single charge. It allows you to use it all day without worrying about charging. You can get an empty Swift One charged back up in under 2 hours. You can take the charger with you, because it's relatively small. Speakers. The speakers on this laptop are pretty decent. They're good enough, and you get pretty loud at max volume. But don't expect to get utterly accurate audio though. You'll want to hook up separate speaker or headphones for listening to music. Webcam. The top bezel features a 720p HD webcam. It'll be perfectly fine for making video calls and Zoom meetings. It doesn't support facial recognition, and there's no privacy shutter. Operating system. The Swift one comes running on the full 64-bit version of Windows 10 Home. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The Swift one offers a great design, a decent screen, and good usability. The slim profile and light metal construction, which are a significant improvement over its competitors. The quick keyboard and long battery life set it apart even further. It provides fantastic connectivity at an affordable price tag. It has a fingerprint sensor for quick and secure logging in. It offers excellent battery life, so it'll be a perfect choice for students. The Swift one is a laptop built to perform basic tasks in style. It is an ideal laptop primarily for writing, email, and web browsing. This device is the best traveling partner for productivity work. As long as you don't ask to play powerful games, the new Swift one is a great value. We strongly recommend it to you if you're looking for an inexpensive laptop for simple tasks. The Swift one's base price starts at $400, approximately 31,000 rupees. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the latest and detailed laptop reviews. Plus, the things to consider to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the pricing and availability, you can check the description and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.